On 9th October, Karbi Students Association Langkailangso sub-branch celebrated its first anniversary of its formation at Inghan Adong, Kangburabe Playground. Karbi Students Association, with a vision to uplift the educational sector and to monitor the progress of all-round development in Langkailangso area, formed its sub-branch at Langkailangso last year. It was reported that in early morning, the sub-branch celebrated its anniversary by hosting the organizational flag, followed by paying floral tribute to all the ancestors of Langkailangso area. The ceremony was chaired by Komal Singh Bey, President, Langkailangso sub-branch, and the objective of the meeting was briefed by Dilip Kramsa. Buddho Terang, General Secretary, CEC, Liton Singh Timung, President, DRC, Mongol Singh Terang, Secretary, Borlangpher Head Branch, members of Arlong Parla KSA unit, village headmen, and several other dignitaries from the region attended the event. On the occasion of first anniversary celebration, successful candidates in HSLC, HSSLC, and bachelor's degree were felicitated by the sub-branch. Komal Singh Bey, President, Dilip Kramsa, Secretary, and Dor Singh Bey, Vice President, Langkailangso sub-branch appeals Dr. Tuliram Rongham, CEM of KAAC, and the concerned authority to immediately appoint more teachers, construct good road for easy commute, and provide legal land patas to all the inhabitants of Langkailangso area.
Kasi nilitum tim Karbi Inglongphan kacuning ribang ke lapulo nilituman ajat akisung linang rapre kusitame kota pen lapen and la tuwar bang nang munai pia sonte kusin nilitum non da Langkailangso sub branch pen.
News X report for Karbi Inglong Live.